If a startup is about to meet with you, what advice would you give them before they meet? You have that meeting.
Bring in the tech pitch. Don't dumb it down. We don't want to see it dumbed down. We don't need to know about the market. You wouldn't have gotten through the door without us thinking it's a big market with a big opportunity and such. So for us, we really encourage people to, again, because you're looking for smart money, go in with the hardcore tech discussion right from the beginning. And if your audience isn't ready to embrace that, well, maybe that isn't the right audience for you. So for us, we want to understand, what the tech is, where you think it can go, how it's going to be impactful or change, what is the benefits it's going to actually bring your customers at the end of the day. So the tech must translate between, the red light goes on and off, and that's important to somebody. And we want to see that journey, along the way. And for us, again, when you get to the financial side, what is it going to take to really get this into a company of significant size? And if that's 100 million, fine, let's call it on day one. So we all go in with our eyes wide open, and we all go in to try to make that happen. So that's really what we're looking for is, a company with great tech can explain the benefits with the vision to be somewhere of global scale. First step is patience and determine how long you can hold your breath, because I think this is even we find with our own, raising money, it is a long process, and it's a bit like product development. It always takes 10 times longer, or sales takes 10 times longer than you ever think, but it is going to take longer than you think to raise money. And part of that is, I would suggest that you raise money from the people that can help you the most. Again, because of our model, we can't ever get out of this, find smart money to help you, and people that are going to bring value beyond the cash. Because in these, certainly the early stages of a founder's life, you may have two founders, but it's a lonely place, and the more people you can bring to bear on the problem, the better. So I would really, encourage the founders to really go out there and be patient and find smart money to help them out. If not, then, take the money, but understand that value may not be there. Because, at the end of the day, you do need to get the activity funded and such. But the longer you can wait, and the longer you can get out there and find the right investors. The other thing is certainly in London, and I haven't done as much in Europe as well, but the number of networking event conferences, angel events, and all of those, get out to as many of those as you can, meet as many people as you can, have as many coffees as you can. The investment process is a very long process. Anywhere from, I would be amazed if people close money within a month. We tend to be 6 months to over a year. We'll know a company before we actually pull the trigger on something. So I think it is a patience and hold your breath.